Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on JEE Mains 2020 September 2 online paper Shift 2. Okay, now here question, the ratio of three consecutive binomial coefficients in the expansion 1 plus x power n is 2 is to 5 is to 12. The value of n is, now two consecutive terms nc n minus 1 is to nc r minus 1 ncr ncr plus 1 is equal to 2 is to 5 is to 12. 2 is to 5 is to 12. Okay, now ncr minus 1 by ncr by ncr minus 1. Okay, now ncr by ncr minus 1 is equal to ncr by 5 by 2. Okay, ncr by ncr minus 1 value, ncr by ncr minus 1 is equal to n minus r minus 1 by r. Now, n minus r plus 1 by r is equal to 5 by 2. By cross multiplication, 2n minus 2r plus 2 is equal to 5r. Now 2n minus 7r plus 2 is equal to 0. Now equation 1. Okay, next one, ncr plus 1 by ncr. ncr plus 1 by ncr. Okay, now again this one apply formula ncr by ncr minus 1, n minus r minus 1 by r. Now according to this one, now n minus is equal to 12 by 5. Now n minus r by r plus 1 is equal to 12 by 5. Okay, by cross multiplication, okay, now 5n minus 5r is equal to 12r plus 2, 12. Okay, now 5n minus 5r minus 17r, 5n minus 17r minus 12 is equal to 0. Now equation 2. Okay, now solve 1 and 2. Okay, now here multiply with 5 into 2. Okay, now 10n minus 35r plus 10 equal to 0. Now 10n minus 34r minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, now here minus plus minus plus. Okay, now minus r plus 34 is equal to 0. Now r is equal to 34. R is equal to 34. Now from equation 1, now 2n minus 7r plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now 2n minus 7 into 34 plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now n is equal to 118. Therefore, find the value of n. Option 3 is the correct one. Next one, point P divides joining A and B in the ratio lambda is to 1 such that OB bar dot OP bar minus 3 into OA bar cross OP bar whole square equal to 6. Then the value of lambda is, okay, now P divides here P A bar B B bar. Now this one O origin, this one lambda is to 1. Now position vector of P OP bar is equal to 1 into A bar plus lambda into B bar by lambda plus 1. Okay, now OP bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar by lambda plus 1. Okay, now we are given OB bar dot OP bar minus 3 into OA bar cross OP bar whole square equal to 6. Now B bar dot OP bar value A bar plus lambda into B bar by lambda plus 1 minus 3 into A bar cross A bar plus lambda into B bar by lambda plus 1 whole square is equal to 6. Okay, now B bar dot A bar dot B bar plus lambda into B bar square mod B bar square by now lambda plus 1 minus 3 into now A cross A bar value 0. Now lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square into A bar cross B bar whole square is equal to 6. Okay, now A dot B value. Next to find A bar dot B bar. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, next A cross B value. I bar, J bar, K bar. Okay, 1 1 1 2 1 3. Okay, now I bar into 3 minus 1 minus J bar into 3 minus 2 plus K bar into 1 minus 2. Okay, now 2I bar minus J bar minus K bar. Okay, now mod A cross B equal to square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, root 6. Okay, A dot B value 6, mod A cross B value root 6, mod A cross B whole square value is 6. Okay, now substitute this one. Okay, now A dot B value. Now 6 plus lambda into mod B bar square 4 plus 9 plus 14 lambda 14 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 3 lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square. Now mod A cross B value root 6 whole square means 6 is equal to 6. Okay, now 18 lambda square, this value move that side, 18 lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square plus 6 is equal to, okay, this value can be right. Now 6 plus 8 lambda by lambda plus 1. Okay, now 6 cancel. Now 8 lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square minus 8 lambda by lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Now lambda by lambda plus 1 is common. 8 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 8 equal to 0. Since lambda by lambda plus 1 not equal to 0, this value equal to 0. Okay, now 18 lambda minus 8 lambda minus 8 is equal to 0. Now 10 lambda is equal to 8. Lambda is equal to 8 by 10, 0.8. Now therefore lambda is equal to 0.80. Okay, lambda value 0.80. Now next one, if sum of series x plus ka plus x square plus k minus 2 into a plus x cube plus k minus 4 into a plus up to so on 9 terms is given, then the value of k is. Now integer type question. Okay, now x square, x cube up to so on x power 9. Now the terms are in GP. GP means Sn is equal to. Now a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now x into x power 9 minus 1 by x minus 1. Next one terms are AP. The given series are in AGP. Now Sn n by 2 into 9 by 2 into 9, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now 2ka plus 9 minus 1 into d means minus 2a, minus 2a. This one GP, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, now x into x power 9 minus 1 means x power 10 minus x. Okay, now x power 10 minus x by x minus 1 plus 9 by 2 into 2ka, 2ka minus here 16a, 2ka minus 16a. Now x power 10 minus x by x minus 1 plus, now 2 common, 9 into ka minus 8a, ka minus 8a. Okay, now is equal to x power 10 minus x minus 45a into x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, now 9 terms equal to that value is given. Now here take LCM x minus 1, x power 10 minus x. Now 9 into ka minus 8a into x minus 1 is equal to, now x power 10 minus x minus 45a into x minus 1 by, now x minus 1. Okay, now x minus 1 cancel. Now equal to means and it also x power 10, x power 10, x also cancel. Now 9a into, here a common, and here also x minus 1 common, cancel. 9a into k minus 8 is equal to minus 45a. 9a is equal to k minus 8 into minus 45a. Now here a cancel. Now k minus 8 is equal to minus 5. K is equal to 3. Now k is equal to 3. Now on graph paper, now k equal to 3 means 0.3.00. K is equal to 0.3.00. Next one, if y is equal to sigma k equal to 1 to 6, k into cos inverse 3 by 5 cos x minus 4 by 5 sin kx, then dy by dx equal to, given y is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 6, now k into cos inverse of, now 3 by 5, let 3 by 5 is equal to cos alpha equal to 3 by 5. Now using right angle triangle, 3, 5. Now 4. Now sin alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, now cos alpha cos kx, sin alpha sin kx. Okay, now here 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Now constant. Now cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sigma k is equal to 1 to 6. Now k into cos inverse of cos kx plus alpha. Cos kx plus alpha. Cos inverse of cos theta equal to theta. Now sigma k is equal to 1 to 6. Now k into kx plus alpha. Okay, now y is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k square x plus now k alpha. Now dy by dx is equal to, now dy by dx is equal to, now here constant 0, x derivative 1. Now sigma k is equal to 1 to 6, sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 into k square. Now dy by dx of x, that value is equal to 1. Now k square into 1, k square. Okay, k equal to 1, k square means k into sigma k square, k into k plus 1, 2k plus 1 by 6. Now 6 into 7 into, now 6 into 7 into 13 by 6. (91). Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus lambda is equal to 0 has a real solution, then the range of lambda is, now here given equation sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, now minus lambda is equal to sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta minus lambda is equal to sin square theta whole square. Now cos square theta whole square. Now minus lambda is equal to a plus b whole square. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 into sin square theta into cos square theta. That value is 1 minus lambda is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta multiply divide, now 2 by 2, 4 sin square theta, now 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, now 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, now 1 minus 1 by 2 into sin square 2 theta. Now lambda is equal to minus lambda value. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2 sin square 2 theta minus 1. 1 by 2 sin square 2 theta minus 1. Okay, now 0 less than or equal to sin square x less than or equal to 1. Sin square x or 0 less than or equal to sin square kx less than or equal to 1. Okay, now 0 means lambda value is minus 1. Now 1 means 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, range of lambda is equal to, range of lambda is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2, minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2. Option 2 is the correct one.